just like me to feel, feeling any kind of pain. But you catching my tears, something about it makes me brave. So when it gets too heavy, I won't hesitate. I'll give you all my cares. You never said that it wouldn't hurt, but you promised when it did that you'd be right there. You'll be right there. So I can stand it, the rain, and just let it pour. 'Cause I know you're standing with me in the storm. Oh, I can handle this life breaking my heart in two. If it means I'm closer to you, it means I'm closer to you. Closer to you. And I'm so amazed at how you work it out. Everything I face, how it's worth it now. I don't have a scar on this withered heart that doesn't have a story about your healing.